This landscape is often swept clean by molten lava. It's one of the most barren and toxic environments on Earth. Nature has had to adapt to living in this land of fire. A wingless lava cricket. After an eruption, she is the first creature to take up residence in this hostile landscape. The ultimate pioneer. No larger than a fingernail, she survives by eating morsels of food that blow in with the ocean breeze. Nobody knows where she comes from, where she goes, or how long she lives. In many ways, she's a mystery. At some point known only to her, she'll leave.